Now, you're in this Curtis Cup thing. Now, it's about time we got stuck in and nicked it back here. You can do it. Hitting millions of balls won't do it, you know. You've got to use the old grey matter. You can do it, and I'm rooting you on. Come on, girls. Up and at them.
Hey, ladies. I just wanted to wish Tegwin and the rest of the girls a lot of luck at the Curtis Cup this year. Go get them. I know you can win. It's a great place at Nairn. I had a great time there a few years back at the Walker Cup. Go do the job.
Nairn's one of my favourite golf courses, great greens. I hope you have a great week there. I hope you play really well, but above all, I hope you enjoy it.
All I can do is just wish you the very best, and hopefully you will be able to win it and make the complete trophy room.
All the best in the Curtis Cup. We have the Solheim Cup. We're lucky enough to have the Ryder Cup and the Walker Cup. And now it's your turn, girls, to complete the four. And we wish you, on behalf of the tour, as I say, all the very best.
There are people out there who would love to be in your position. Enjoy the moment, embrace the nerves, and I'm sure you'll do a great job and bring the Curtis Cup back to GBNI. Good luck.
The most important thing is you fight for yourself. If everyone has the attitude that I'm going to pull this team through, I guarantee you guys are going to win.
I played Walker Cup before I turned pro, and I know how special and important it was for me. And the most important thing is to enjoy it, to build relationships and build friendships. But I didn't win the Walker Cup that I played in, and hopefully you girls can do a little bit better.
Give them some stick. Get the job done. We've got some Walker Cups. We've got some Ryder Cups. It's about time you guys won a Curtis Cup. We've got a Solheim Cup as well. Get the job done, girls. Get the head down. Give it stick.
But keep concentrating. Try your hardest. Because there's nothing like beating OGA.
So step out from the shadows and into history. And best of luck.
To Tegwin and all the girls up at Nairn, do us all proud. Bring another trophy this side of the town. Good luck, play well, and win.